They say hard work pays off, I've been feeling paid off. Try to take it, then you did. Nate Dogg, put the chopper to your head and take it off. Fast break, taking off. Dunk on the bitch, John Wall. Whoa, keep niggas on their toes. I ain't never played fair, throwing elbows. This an AK, yeah. Bullet to your skull. Damn, nice blood all over my red cones. But I'm on the Ricks. I'm richer than a bitch, white bitch. Blue face everywhere. Pull up, they stare. Fendi my underwear. She suck my dick, she like damn. I didn't need the money, count. Money, I love it.